Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this scripting, this expression or this motion graphics in, in DaVinci. So as you can see, it looks quite cool and let's see how to make it. So this is the basically that I have made it. Okay. Now what I will do, I will right click here, create a new fusion composition. Let's just name is tutorial and it's a 5 seconds. Click create, drag it here and move it. Now go here, select this, go to the Fusion tab. Now first thing that I want is a background. So click on here, click on this background. Now connect this background to here. Select the background, go to the image, uncheck the auto resolution, make it 1080 by 1080. A question comes in your mind, why I'm making 1080 by 1080? I will cover it later onwards. Why? But it is necessary. If you don't, you will face a lot of issues. Now, what I will do, so first thing that I will create is origin point, then the base point, then the point that basically rotates. Let's see how to make it. So first, I will click on merge node, connect this merge node with this one, and add here. Select this background nodes, press Ctrl C copy, press Ctrl V paste, press F2 and type back uh, white background. Now change its color to white, click OK, connect this, select this and add a circle here. Now in width, uh, press Ctrl A, type equal, select this and click on this. Now if I change the width, you can see that height will, oh sorry, if I change the height, you can see that width is also decreasing. That is basically what I want. Let's say it is 0.1 or 0.05. 0.1 is fine. 0.7, 0.08, 0.08 or 0.07 is fine. Now what I want another point. So select this ellipse, press F2 and let's call this as origin. Now what I want to create another point. So this point is origin. So what I will do, select all of them, press Ctrl C to copy, press Ctrl V to paste it. And select this here and this here. Select these two, move it up, select this, press shift spacebar, type transform. You can see your transform is already written. Select this transform, click add. So if I move this, you can see, so this is my horizontal point. So what I can write is, select this, press F2 and type horizontal point. Okay, now in the same manner I want a point that basically move upward. So what I can do is select all of them, press Ctrl C to copy, let's move forward, press Ctrl V to paste it, move it upward, press F2, type word point. So if I go to transform, increases y value, you can see, and increasing x value, you can see. Now what I want is basically some lines here. Animation part will cover later onwards. Okay, so how can I make lines? That's the important thing. So I will select all of them, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V. I need 3 lines total, so I will copy and paste 3 times, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V, and one more, press Ctrl V. So let's now connect all of them. Select this word point 1, delete it. Select this background and select the polygon tool. Simply click on here, draw a line by pressing shift. Now right click, polyline, publish, publish points. So basically what I have done is I have defined the uh, point coordinates, and I will do the another one and publish points. So with that I can track it, uncheck the solid, increase the width so that I can see. You can see if I move it and I can change the how it look like. You can see. Okay, now how to basically do the animation part, that's the important thing. Now how can I connect with these points, that's the important part. So by default, if you look at the origin, where is origin? 0 0.5, 0 0.5. So select this, press F2, type horizontal line, click OK. Select this horizontal line, press Ctrl A, type 0 0.5 and 0.5. Go to the white background, make sure it's 1080 and make everything here 0. In transform, make sure everything is 0 and click on horizontal line. What about the second point? Now this is where I will use scripting. So press Ctrl A, click on equal. So you can see it is asking for the point coordinates. So what I have to do is, for y I will not change anything. Y will remain 0 0.5. 0 0.5. But what about the x? For x I have to do something. Let's see what I will do. So I have to take the coordinates of this one. So how can I take it? Or I can write expression here. What I can write is 0 0.5 plus 0.3 into cos time divided by 10. Now I will click on the horizontal point, go to the transform, and here I will type 0 0.3 into cos time divided by 10. Oh sorry, first type space. Now then you can type expression. So type 0 0.3 star cos time divided by 10. So if I look right now, I can see that hey, it's working fine. Some people might not able to understand what's going on. So I'm saying hey that it will move 0 0.3 forward backward because of the cos, and if I decrease you see the denominator, it will increase or decrease the speed. Okay, so choose as per your requirements. And in horizontal line I have typed 0 0.5. If I don't add 0 0.5, it will not do the animation correctly. It's basically coordinates are will not be right. Now what about this point? So I will click on the word point, go to the transforms. So transform in x-axis will move 0 0.3 star, okay, was equal to 0 0.3 star cos time divided by 10, and in y type space, and I will have 0 0.3 sine time divided by 10. So if I click on play, you can see how it's look good. Now I need two more lines to connect them. So what I will do, I will click on this, delete, and click on this one, connect this, select this, press F2 and type vert line. It means vertical line. So select the vertical line, draw some line here, by pressing shift and right click, polyline, publish, publish points. You see both points are shown here. In case if it is one, make sure that you select the both. Now, how can I connect it? So vertical line basically connect with uh, this point and this point. Some people are wondering what is this. So let's delete this one. Okay, I have to line it. Connect this. I will cover this later onwards. So what I have done, what I have to do is I have to first uncheck the solid and go to the transform, make it 0, 0. Now, how can I connect this vertical line from this point to this point? That's a quite interesting thing. So what I will do, I will go to the board line. In x-axis, it will be sorry. So it will be press Ctrl A space. I have typed equal to. So I will type 0.3 cos time divided by 10. For point 2, I will type 0.5. Oh, I will also add 0.5 here so that to make it align correct place. Notice it's now correctly aligned. Now here press Ctrl A equal. So I will first add 0.5 plus how much? 0.3. So this expression will remain as it is, and Control V, and for y-axis instead of cos I will add sine. Sine. Okay, some issues. Let's see what's the issue. There should be no comma at the end. Now if I play, looks good. Now but there is a need for add perpendicular hypotenuse. There is no hypotenuse here, so I will click on this polyline, draw a line by pressing shift. I will go here, right click, polyline, publish, publish points. Both points are here. Uncheck the solid, increase the width, go to the transform, make sure they are 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I will click on the polyline, press F2, type hypotenuse, hypotenuse line. Now what I will do, so one point will remain at its origin, one point here. So where is the origin point? 0 0.5, 0 0.5. So I simply go here and type 0 0.5 and type 0 0.5 here as well. Now about the second point, it should be here. So it is so what I can do is select, go here, press Ctrl A, copy this expression, go here, equal, press Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Now if I click on play, I got the animation. Now let's say I want to change the color of it because it looks quite, why it looks not that good. So normally X line is presented by uh, red color. So I will go to the white background and color and change it to red. Okay, select this, press F2, type x-axis, and I will go here. Let's reduce the thickness of it. Let's say 0.018, 0.018. Okay, and the Y line is represented by green axis. So I will go here and I will choose the green color. Click here, press F2, y-axis. This is a standard color formulas in trigonometries. So let's say I type 0.018. Let's see what left. Let's have as be as it is. So about the origin, let's change origin color to blue. This is a no standard color, but you can change as per your requirement. It's up to you. And let's change this point to horizontal point color B. Uh, to look good. That's all. So go to the merge, ever top over mm, point horizontal line over. As you can notice, this red line is goes backward and screen. So if I click on play, notice it's working fine. Now a question comes to your mind, why there is a background resolution 1080 by 1080 if you remember correctly. So let's see what will happen. So this is my I put in word point. Okay, so I will select this, go to its white background, and instead of here I will type 1920. You will realize why I have done this. Now look at the animation. Does it look like a circle? No, it look like an ellipse. So why it is happening? You see my screen resolutions are not equal. So it is trying to plot, but unfortunately my width is quite high as compared to this expression. So it is not able to correctly plot a circle. It looks like ellipse because of the screen resolution. So a graph will plot circle only and only if both axes are equal. So that is the reason I have to type 1080. I hope I cleared your doubts. Just in case if you still have doubt, not an issue. Simply ask and comment. So that's for all. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.